Hello guys, I'm Bhargavi. I'm here to explain you basic code of pl-SQL. pl-SQL is another topic in SQL. pl-SQL means Processed Language SQL. Now I'm going to explain you sum of two numbers in pl-SQL. Like any other language, pl-SQL has its own syntax. So before writing the code, we have to write set server output on, and there is no need to install any other software to run this pl-SQL code. You can do it on Oracle SQL, which you have been doing your SQL codes. Okay, now there are three blocks in a pl-SQL code, that is declaration block and execution block and exception block. Now, as it is a basic code, now I am saying only two blocks, that is declaration and execution. Now we have to write declare, and the syntax is we have to write the variable name and the data type. As in other languages, we use equal to as assignment symbol, but in pl-SQL we have to write colon and equal to for assigning a number. For taking it as a input from the user, you have to use ampersand and then that variable name. As we are adding two numbers, we have to take two numbers from the user. So I'm taking them as A and B. Now use B. Yeah. For adding those, we need another variable, right? So I'm taking it as total, and then it is also a number for simple case, right? And then we have to write begin, and then total is we are assigning it, right? So is equal to colon equal to A plus B. Now we don't have to write ampersand A and ampersand B now. Just we have to write A and B. That's enough. As in other languages, like in C, we write printf for getting something on output console, and in C++ we write cout, and in Java we write system output dot print or println. Now in pl-SQL we have to write a similar thing like dbms output and then dot put line, and then we have to keep whatever we want in output in the column in, okay, commas. Okay, now the sum is like in Java we keep plus to append it to the statement, but now we have to use two vertical lines for that. Okay, we have to close this, right, and add the two vertical lines, and then we have to keep the sum, the total variable, and then close it. At the end of the code you have to write end, and then stop it. Yeah, now we'll run it. See, it is asking for the input from the user. We'll enter some 4 and enter value for B 2. Yeah, now we can see here that sum is 6. The input is taken for A as 4 and 2 for B. And this is how pl-SQL runs, and the basic syntax for adding two numbers. Thank you.